I have clients who actually tell me that this is SEO, this is organic, so I just want to make sure that everybody's, we are on the same page. So this is where you pay Google. I'm using today Google a lot because Google owns 80% of Singapore market, right? So I believe a lot of users here are using Google as well. Okay. So here is your paid search. Over here you can have up to 3 listings as sponsored links. And here is your natural results. Okay, so this is what we call organic results, or actually it's achieved to reach here by using SEO techniques. Okay, and how we can achieve. So what is SEO? Sorry, does everybody heard of SEO here? Anybody have not heard about SEO? This term is new to you? You're fine? Okay, but allow me to just run through a quick explanation. SEO is the process of actually improving a website, such that it best follows search engines algorithm, okay, and eventually gets your website highly ranked on organic results of search engines, and thus bring more traffic, organic traffic to your site. So of course, when it's organic, you don't have to pay extra cent to Google or Yahoo for that click that comes to your site. Search engines actually, how they work is they send out spider, okay. You know, it's actually a web crawler, but we call it in search marketing, we call it spider for easy referencing. So they crawl the web actually. So actually, do you know when you're searching on Google or Yahoo, you're not searching the web picture. You're searching the index, the archive of actually Google and Yahoo. What happens is because they send out these spiders index your site, look at what you have in the website, and they store it in their data centers. So Google. So what happens is when the spider goes out and index your pages, these are robots, these are softwares. They need to read your content not just like the human eye reads your website contents. So they read, there are some important factors like your site layout, your design. Your site should be non-fresh. Reason being is that fresh actually blocks a lot of actually what the spider can see. So it actually hinders, it's like a locked door, right? You have a shopping center with a door locked, they couldn't see what are the goods inside. So the title and meta text, the keyword and content relevance. Okay, I'll share this part on the on-page later on in an example that I'll give you. And also, off-page SEO actually helps to increase your trust factor with the search engines itself. So that's what we call link popularity strategies or link building strategies to bring more trust or possible. Today I'm using Advantage SEO. So this is my book on SEO. All right. And I'm trying to sell this book to broaders, so that broaders is actually just like Google or Yahoo in a sense as a search engine. Everybody goes there to buy, right? So if every chapter just says Advantage SEO, Advantage SEO, Advantage SEO, Advantage SEO, Advantage SEO. So what does the spider, when they come, what do they? Your company name. So if you search for your company name, yes, 9 out of 10 times you will always be the first, because that's unique to you, alright? So the spider will have question mark. So is that all about your company? How does the spider knows what is each chapter about? Yeah? Do you see any words in called services in this page? No? Okay, I deliberately didn't put in the word services. Why? How is the spider in this case going to be able to know that your whole website, first of all, do you want to make sure that your content have those keywords repeated? And actually the number of times your keyword repeat actually also tells the spider how important is this word to the contents. Alright? So that's checking up your site, getting your site ready to be sold in the broader's books. Who is there to testify? So what do they need? It's actually critics to say that your book is good. So what we do is what we call off-page. So we're going to get your site linked back from other third-party sites. Alright, so we're going to find sites that are relevant content to you and get them to put a link back to your site. So who are your critics and are they trustworthy? So if they are trustworthy, it gives you a higher points with Google. That points the link back to you. You score top points with search engines. And these top points actually help you to rank up much faster than probably 1,000 other common sites actually link back to you. So this actually helps you gain points. With all this done, well, you'll probably have a good chance to rank in the top 10 of actually search engines.